Hello, and welcome. I'm so glad you are here. Today, we will share a calm and gentle story about Christmas. It is a story about hope, small lights, and quiet moments that touch the heart. You will meet Anna, a woman with a simple life. Like many of us, she feels fear, doubt, and sometimes loneliness. But her story is not about big changes. It is about little steps, soft courage, and finding warmth inside. As you listen, let yourself relax. Let the words move slowly. This story is here for your heart, to feel peace, comfort, and a small spark of hope. Let's begin and walk quietly with Anna this Christmas. The night is quiet, and Anna is still awake. She is 28 years old. She sits alone in her small room. The room is simple, but it feels safe. A small bed, a wooden table, one chair near the window. The light is low. Her breath is slow. Have you ever felt this moment? That soft time when the world sleeps, but your heart stays open. Anna looks outside. The streetlights glow like small stars. They do not rush. They do not ask anything from her. They just shine. Anna lives a simple life. Every morning, she wakes up early. She washes her face. She drinks warm tea. She puts on the same coat. She walks to work. Her steps are quiet. Her days are the same. Not heavy, not happy, just the same. Anna works in a small shop. She sells paper and small gifts. She says kind words. People hear her, but they do not really see her. Anna smiles, but inside, she holds quiet thoughts. It is December now. Christmas is close. Lights hang on trees. Soft music plays in shops. People talk about joy. People talk about home. Anna listens. Her heart feels far away. She does not feel loud sadness. She feels soft emptiness. At night, Anna sits by the window. She hugs her knees. She asks herself quiet questions. Why do I feel like this? Why do I feel alone when people are everywhere? Will this feeling ever change? Anna remembers her childhood. She remembers being small. She remembers warm hands. She remembers Christmas lights on the wall. She remembers believing without fear. Now, believing feels hard. Hope feels dangerous. Hope feels like something that can break her heart. So Anna tries to stay strong. She tells herself not to hope. She tells herself to be quiet inside. But her heart does not listen. One cold morning, Anna stops on her way to work. She sees a small Christmas tree outside a shop. It is not beautiful. Some lights are broken. Some branches bend low. But the tree still stands. Quiet. Brave. Anna looks at it for a long time. She feels something move inside her. Just a little. At work, the day is slow. Few people come in. Anna cleans the table. She moves things again and again. Then an old woman enters. The woman walks slowly. Her coat is old. Her eyes are gentle. She looks at a small card. It shows a house with one light in the window. This is nice, the woman says. Anna nods. The woman looks at Anna and smiles. Christmas can feel lonely, she says softly. Anna feels her chest tighten. The woman adds, but even one small light can help. Anna watches her leave. The words stay in the air. That night, Anna cannot sleep. She thinks about light. Not big light. Not bright light. Just one small light. The next day, Anna buys a small candle. It is white and simple. She places it on her table. At night, she lights it. The flame is calm. It does not fight the dark. It lives with it. Anna sits and watches. Her shoulders relax. Her heart feels softer. She whispers, "I am here." The days pass slowly. Anna begins to do small things. She cleans her room. She opens the window. She lets cold air touch her face. She puts one small paper star on the wall. Not for anyone else, just for her. Her fear is still there. Her doubt is still there. But they are quieter now. They sit beside her, not on top of her. One evening, Anna walks through the town. Lights glow everywhere. People stand close together. Some laugh. Some are silent. Anna stops near the big town tree. She stands among them. She does not feel invisible. She feels present. She closes her eyes. She does not ask for a perfect life. She asks for one thing. I want to feel warm inside. Christmas Eve arrives. Snow falls slowly. Anna watches from her window. She lights her candle. The room fills with soft light. Tears come to her eyes. They are gentle tears. They clean her heart. Anna understands something new. Belief is not loud. Belief is not magic. Belief is being kind to yourself. Belief is lighting one candle in a dark room. When morning comes, Anna wakes up calmly. The world looks the same, but she feels different. She feels softer, stronger in a quiet way. She smiles without trying. She carries the light inside her. Christmas does not change her life, but it changes her heart. The night comes again. Quiet, peaceful. Anna breathes in. She breathes out. She believes. Not because everything is easy, but because she is still here, and her small light is still shining. Anna's story reminds us that even small moments can hold light. We can learn a few simple things from her journey. First, hope does not have to be big. Even a small light, a small act, can give comfort and courage. Second, it is okay to feel fear or doubt. Being gentle with yourself is important. Accepting your feelings helps you grow quietly. Third, small steps matter. Little actions, repeated slowly every day, can bring peace and strength. Finally, belief is not about magic or perfection. It is about staying, feeling, and letting a small light guide your heart. Anna shows us that Christmas and life itself is not about big things. It is about warmth, hope, and small lights that help us keep moving forward. So, take a quiet breath. Look for your small lights. Be kind to yourself. And believe, gently, in your own heart. Thank you. See you next video.